Nice. Aww. Mm. Yeah, good morning, guys. Good morning. So, JJ just wake up, as you can see. Mm. Mwah. She just wake up. I know. Watch it. Big yarn. So, um, she get her feeding before. Yeah, so she's good. So we got some birds. So the other day you guys would have seen us, looking at some birds. We wanted, some birds. But the ones that we saw, we never want them one day. Yeah. Wanted like more of a baby. Something where we can bond with, grow with. So yesterday I went out and I got 3 birds, yeah. All of them parrots. One son conure, I believe he's the youngest. And well, I don't know if it's a he or a she, but I'm gonna say he. I believe he's the youngest. And I got 2 lovebirds, a pair. So they are babies, but they're fully feathered. Just I believe start to pick up feeding. Alright, JJ, it's a yarn. So JJ and I gonna feed them. So the guy who sell me them, he said that I should buy this formula because they are on feeding stage, especially the sun conure. So I should buy this formula. I bought the formula yesterday, and I should use warm water. So it's basically like a lukewarm, similar to feeding a baby. So like when you're making JJ food, you warm the water. So treat the birds like they're a baby. Alright? So that's exactly what we're gonna do. So I got them last night and he said that, don't have to feed them last night because he has already, fed them. So it's now 10:05 the next day, which is now, and we're gonna feed them. Alright, so I'm gonna record this, the time, because we're gonna have to set a schedule for feeding, especially like I said, the son conure, because he's the youngest. Alright, so I'm gonna get him out of the cage and we are going to mix the formula and feed them. I'm gonna have to go back on the road today to get some grains for the lovebirds because I thought that day 2 would only need the formula, so I didn't get the grains for them. I only got the formula yesterday, so still I'm gonna have to go back on the road and get some grains for them. Alright, so JJ still yarning. Ready, JJ? Sit down. Let me get the birds. Thank you. Now the guy said try to mix enough that you think they will eat, because after you finish you can't really store the food for a long period of time because it will get sour. See me? So I feel that this is good enough for all three of them. And I can see the sun conure now opening his mouth because I guess he's hungry. So I'm gonna pour some of the feeding in. Alright, so he said make it into a porridge, you know, not too dry, not too wet. So basically like a porridge, like you're making a formula for your baby. And yeah, I keep on saying baby because that's what they are right now. They are babies. And that's what he said. And so I got this cardboard box because I don't want them to poop on the ground. Okay, so here is the sun conure, beautiful bird. And as you can see, he is a baby. Look, on the side you can see the feather is just coming on. Beautiful, beautiful bird. JJ will love them. She's already trying to play with them, but you know, don't want her to play too much with them as yet. Okay. Alright, so here is the sun conure. Nice baby. Beautiful. Alright, JJ. Alright, and is at this stage you can talk with the bird, you know, try to get them to be tame, especially this one. Like, I mean, the lovebirds, I'm not sure if the lovebirds will get that tame, but this one, he said, because he showed me one that he have for himself, and that bird is super tame. You know, him just walk up and down with the bird on his shoulder and thing, and that's what I want. Yay. So we're gonna use a syringe, and let's just I'm gonna change the camera angle so that you guys can see all of this. And he opened his mouth, and we're just gonna squirt it out in there. Alright, so gently get it in. And just like that, he's eating, Jason. You like him? Like him? Like birdie? And people may have a napkin, well, wipes, because after we finish feeding him, we have to clean him, ensure that, you know, his feather and his beak are clean, because you don't want the ants to come take him up, you know. So you want to keep him clean at all times. Right, JJ? Yeah. Oh, go for the phone. Go for daddy phone.
Where?
Alright, then you can just check his craft right here. to know when he's full. One thing I know, this bird is gonna be, oh, he flashes something for me, JJ. It's gonna be tame. Super, super tame. And that's exactly what I want, right? Right, Jay? Yeah, that's what we want, JJ. We want a nice tame bird that we can walk with, and he's so cute. He's so cute. Alright, you're more cute. You're beautiful. Okay, stop now. Hug daddy. Alright, you're not hug me. The bird will go hug me. Look, JJ. It's for us, JC. It's for you and me and mommy. Alright?
Mommy?
Yeah, mommy. Looks like you're full.
Mommy? She's really early. She said, she's so sad. Not going for money down. And she's showing her.
You watching daddy feed the birds? Huh? Birds? Count. One birdie. Look at the birdie. Look at the birdie. Birdie! Pretty birdie. Beautiful JJ. Look at birdie. Come, this bird is green, yellow, and orange. You want to try? I don't think you can feed the birdie. Come, take it up and try. Take it up. Or you let daddy do it. Oh, you gonna try? Alright, put it in this bird mouth. Come, look. Look. Birdie. Here you go. No, not that one. Use this one. Right. Put it in birdie mouth now. Birdie. Birdie. Put it in his mouth, JJ. Put it in birdie mouth. Give birdie now. Give him. Birdie, give him. Give birdie. Come, look. Nice. 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 Aww. Baby feeding birdie. Alright. Alright, JJ, don't force him. If he's not taking it, you don't force him, okay? Alright, just like when you don't want your feeding, nobody forces you. So you do not force his birdie. Let him rest, and then when he's ready, he'll take some more. Yes. Okay, so let him rest. When he's ready, he'll take some more, okay? Alright, so we're gonna wrap up with this one, and then we're gonna feed the other two, okay? Now the other two, JJ, they are more mature, so I think they are almost ready to eat by themselves. Look at them. Okay? Okay?
Sunny Baba. Okay.
Alright, so as you can see, feeding is all over him. So as soon as we finish feeding him, we're gonna have to clean him up, you know, just to ensure that no ants no come near him, and him just feel good overall, because everything and everybody feels good when they're clean. Okay, so this is the feeding. Alright, and we're using the syringe, and he is accepting the feeding perfectly. Alright, so as soon as we finish, we get him back in the cage, and feed the other two. Okay, the other two are just chilling. Look at Birdie JJ. We're gonna have to give him a name. What are you gonna call him? Alright, we'll soon decide on a name, okay? So that's one of the lovebird right there. Just took him outside the cage. We're gonna feed him now. I guess he's trying to get back to his friend. And JC is looking at him. No, JJ, no, I'll feed that one. Okay? I'll feed that one. Because these are more mature. So they are more, I guess, difficult to deal with. They're a bit scared, I believe. Unlike this baby right here. JJ, come. Come, JJ. You have to be very gentle with them, yeah? Very gentle with them. Because if you don't gentle with them, they're not gonna like you, okay, baby? And you want them to like you, alright? Yes. No, JC, I said no. I'll feed him. Wait, JC, I think he's a bit scared of us. Wait, let him settle down and then we can touch him, alright? You have to be very gentle with them, JJ. I think he's a bit scared. Remember them not get used to us yet? No. Take time. Look. Shh. Very slowly. Think he's running away from us, JJ. JC, you'll get to touch him in time. For now, he's a bit scared. Yes, they are a bit scared of you. JJ, slowly. Alright, now you're a bit scared of them. So I guess you won't trouble them now. Okay? You want me to touch him? So, so guys, yeah, so we are still feeding them. The lovebirds are a bit fussier than the sun conure, just because I believe they're a bit older, so they're a bit more afraid of us. Them not get used to it as yet because we only just got them. So in time, I guess they'll all get used to us, right? Mwah. Alright, JJ? Yes. Yeah, man, them soon get used to it, JJ.
Good boy, Daisy. Way back. Go easy, Daddy. Today. Mood.
The birds don't watch TV like you, JC, so they don't need the remote. Alright?
Air. Air remote. Air. Air remote. Air. Become me. Become go, become me. Cat.
JC, the birds don't watch TV. You don't have to give them the remote because they will not watch any TV, okay? Only you will watch TV. Alright, baby? Right? Hey, I swear, this is super crazy. Jay said go for the remote and I said the bird. Here's the remote. Come, baby, come, JJ. Come. I guess she's so, intrigued with the birds. She just want to hold them. But I mean, they are a bit scared of her. Come, JC, come give daddy a hug. Come give daddy a hug. JC, I forgot about me, because she get birds. JC, not even, from she wait this morning, she look for the birds. She not even come give me a hug. Alright, Miss JC, continue with the birds. I know you're relaxing. What you watching?
One, two, three, four.
Come, JJ, we're feeding the bird. Birdie. Just touch. Let him go. Just touch. Look. You have to be very careful. Look. Come. Use one finger. One finger and touch him. Touch him. Touch him now. We had to kiss him. Mwah. Mwah. Easy. Easy boy and grab and put your tongue and think of food. Alright, so yeah, we almost finished feeding him now. I mean, I'm not sure if you can see him cry right here. Full. So I'll clean him up back now with the wipes. Just to ensure so no wasp, no ants, no come nearby them. Because of course they are babies, so they can't really clean up themselves. Mind him bite there now. You can kiss him. You have to wait till you get used to your more first. I guess when him find out say food him get him kind of stop and clean up himself. So him kind of settle down. Him kind of settle down now because him say him a get feeding. She say him a get food, so him not so jumpy again. But it kind of easier for me to feed him this way than to use the syringe, because for them big, small. You see, him kind of, as long as you don't make no too sudden movements, Jason, look at the bird, look here. Look at that. Don't frighten him, Jason, don't frighten him. Don't frighten him. Come look. Alright, come. Count. 1, 2. 2 birdies. 1, 2. 2 birdies, Jason. Alright people, so as you can see, Jason is getting a bit fussy. I guess she said maybe me I give the birds too much time now. So see you in our next video. Say bye, JJ. Say bye. Say bye. She vexed with me, people. She vexed. She not talk to me. Come, JJ. Your time now. Come. Let's go. Come, you and Daddy are go. Ah, that's what you want, huh? We soon go outside, yeah?
Bye.
Bye. It's overexposing, Jason.
Bye.
Bye.